Hey guys, so as you guys asked me for test ride uphill, I'm gonna take this Voyager Radius Pro to local hill, which is pretty steep hill. Hopefully it will go uphill, and I'll show you how good is this. So let's go. So it takes about 2.5 miles to get there, and I'm just gonna show you how it's going uphill, because the riding experience, I'm gonna try to ride it. It's about 75% battery life, so I'll try to pedal mostly. Alright, and hopefully we'll get at least half of the hill on throttle only. And actually I'm gonna try to do the test to most of the bicycle I have right now. And if you subscribe, you're gonna see the video with about 7 to 10 different e-bikes tested on this hill soon. Hey guys, so I'm already here, so I'm gonna go for the test ride on this hill. It took me about maybe 10 minutes to get here, 2.5 miles. The battery, it's almost like 75%. I rode on this bicycle already about 5 to 6 miles total. I'm gonna do the test to show you. Hopefully we'll make it at least half, but I feel like it will not, so let's see. It made only a quarter. And I'll try to ride it. I'll try to ride it myself, but actually it's not that easy. I only made a quarter of this hill. With Nocta bike, it made 500 watt power, it made half, and the controller was bad, so it's kind of actually even more than half. So it's Nocta bike, actually a pretty strong bike, the one I have folding, but with this one you cannot really ride it. Thank you guys for watching, so please hit subscribe to see video about many bikes I'm gonna test on this hill. This hill is not as long, but it's very steep, and I weigh about 250 pounds. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to go down hills if it's good. The brake, only one brake actually, and it might be not as good, so let's see to go down hills. So far going about 18 miles, 19, 21. I'm trying to brake. It's braking, but it's not stopping. So the braking power is kind of weak. After 60 miles, you just keep going. So basically, if you want to get this bike riding in a hills area, you may want to consider to get extra brake on the front, okay? Or maybe hydraulic brakes. They are not stopping well. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.